Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at number 138A Joy Lane in Whitstable. Now, of course, Joy Lane is one of the area's most popular and most exclusive areas as well. It's, of course, only a few moments walk away from the seafront, and this property in particular was designed in 2018 by the current owners and now offers you a striking contemporary property which is located again only a few moments away from the seafront. So as you can see already, it is presented amazingly. You've got that wonderful contemporary feel throughout, and we'll start our tour here in the first bedroom here at the front of the property, and you can see already you've got those lovely big set of wardrobes there, and you've got the lovely balcony overlooking across to Whitstable seafront. It's an immaculate property, it's beautifully presented, and we'll crack on with the rest of the tour. So with this bedroom at the front, of course, you do have the ensuite shower room, and just look at that, it is beautiful. It's really quite striking. It's a wonderful space. You've got that lovely big shower unit there, and the vanity worktop with the countertop sink there, and of course you can see the rainforest shower head as well. Just beautifully finished. Come through to the second bedroom here at the back of the property, and you've got a view there out over the rear garden from the windows. And again, this is a really nice sized double bedroom, plenty of space in here for a double bed and for the chest of drawers there as well. And here we are in bedroom number 3, and you can see you've got even more fitted wardrobe storage there, and again another window just overlooking the rear garden. So again, a really nice sized space, and whether or not you wanted an at-home study or to use this as bedroom number 3, it's up to you, but you do have quite a versatile layout on the first floor of the property. So lastly, we have the family bathroom here on the first floor, and you can see you've got that wonderful luxurious bath unit there, and that really striking contemporary window just letting all of that natural light in from the front. But again, what a wonderful use of the space here. You've got that bath unit, but you also have the shower unit in here as well. So a brilliant use of the space, and it keeps with the theme of that contemporary and modern feel throughout. So here we are on the ground level, and what we'll do is we'll come through here and just show you how striking the entrance hall space is. You've got that lovely big staircase just with the window there letting all of that natural light through. It's just a really wonderful layout that they've been able to create with this property. And as we go through this little set of French doors here, we can come into the main lounge area at the front, and you can see you've got that lovely bank of windows there at the front, just letting again all of that natural light through, and you'll see across there onto the seafront, just over those that hedge line there. A really great location. As I said earlier, you can get down to the seafront, it's only a few moments away. So of course, on the ground level of the property, you do still have the downstairs cloakroom, which is a must in all modern properties. And again, you've got that wonderful contemporary finish here, which is the theme throughout. So what we'll do now is we'll come through and take a look at this exquisite kitchen and dining area here at the back. As you can see, the kitchen here is just absolutely wonderful. You've got a wealth of fitted appliances in here, and it's nice that this space really forces you to get the friends and family over, open up those bifolding doors and enjoy this space. You've got the little breakfast area, little dining or breakfast area there, and it just is a wonderful way of using this space. It's an entertaining space as much as it is a kitchen and dining area. Now, of course, there is a little surprise here in this kitchen, and you may be thinking, what is this? But this is a wine cellar pod. Really amazing feature to have within the kitchen space. And it just goes to add that point that this is a very individual and striking contemporary residence. So lastly, here we are in the rear garden, and you can see it is a real entertaining space. To recap a few points on this property, of course, it is a striking individual detached family home in a fantastic location, of course, Joy Lane. I'd definitely give us a call at Kent Estate Agency so that you can find out a little bit more about this property. There is so much to know, and to possibly book in a viewing as well. So we look forward to speaking to you again soon, and of course, don't forget to ask us a few questions on this one.